Hello trader, we can see that XAUUSD just breaking down from this channel, approaching a very key area of support, and we see there are around 300 pip move possible to the downside, or we could see return back to the upside to the direction of the daily trend. So before we look at how we can find trading opportunity on the lower time frame for this potential move, first, let's look at the monthly chart to see overall direction in this market. So looking at monthly here, this is almost middle of the month, and we can see that if we historically look at, it was in a bull market after back to back 4 months of bullish move. This month the price has tested this high here, and after test of this high we can see the price started to drop again. Currently the price below this monthly resistance line here, and there is a monthly support here. If we draw this level, we can see this is the monthly low, and the price has just broken below. What I think that now the price may try to test this current monthly low and potentially break below for deeper pullback. If we look at the Fibonacci perspective for this monthly pullback to see what you can expect for this potential move, if the price break below, where we can see the price has approaching that 50%, where this is the 38.2% Fibonacci level. If we draw that zone where there is a minimum Fibonacci, and with that being said, we can see the price potentially approaching that minimum Fibonacci level, and what you could see that a retest and then rejection or potentially drop, that we can look at the lower time frame from the multi time frame how the price may do here. Now previous weekly candle is a long wick at the top, and this week we can see that there is a gap open and immediately rejection, as there is a confluence of fundamental that we have seen early, and that has given a little bit of momentum on gold towards the downside. Currently this is the a weekly support that we can see the price just below the level and approaching the also another weekly support level. If we draw both of this level, that we can see the market may try to now push back down to that support level to create a new lower low. Now looking at daily chart here on XAUUSD, we can see that from the daily there is a double top formation with a series of lower high, and the market has broken below that level, where this is a key area of support here. And there are two probable scenario here. We can see that this is a very significant daily support. If we look at that daily bullish move here, it's a complete bullish impulse, and the market has dropped to that level here, created a higher low and moved back to the upside here. And with that move currently from this level, from the daily, the price has broken below that level, and we could see that the price potentially, what I think that, as there is a long week here, we may see a series of higher low and then long week rejection, or there is another probability is for the market to potentially drop here to create a new lower low and then to reject back to the upside here. So let's see the intraday time frame to see which one is most likely to play out. Here is we can see there is a bearish channel. The market was forming series of lower high and lower low, was moving in this channel, and we see there is a breakup channel here. And with that breakup channel, the price approaching that support level. This is a very important support. What I think that if this current 4 hour candle, which is around 1 hour time to close, we might see the price to go up for a pullback and then to potentially drop again in this support level. So looking at the lower time frame for potential entry here, we can see there is a 30 minutes consolidation here in that area, which is an important consolidation. The market has completely broken below that level, and currently the price again, it's on a pullback. This is the zone on intraday perspective. We will be looking for potential selling opportunity for the short term move to the downside with a high probability trade setup after a price action confirmation. Once the market is here, we will look for review to see either it's still showing bearish for further drop, or you might see a potential return. We'll keep you posted for further update. Traders, if you enjoyed this education and analysis, there is a link below this video for the telegram group that I am posting different kind of education analysis as well as trade ideas that will be helpful in your trading. So make sure you join that, and also don't forget to subscribe to the channel for more education like that. Thank you, and I'll see you soon in my next analysis.